Hello my friends, how are you guys? Welcome guys today in new videos. See guys, crown, predictor, see guys, beautiful hype and official website. Check out my friends beautiful animation logo guys. So guys, first we select the lucky jet, we select lucky jet mode, then we will connect with AI servers. You can check out AI server is connected guys. So guys, first you can check out my official telegrams. You can see my official telegram channel, and my official telegram is @crown_predictive. Okay my friends, you can buy this hack from me guys. Okay my friends, so guys, let's see. 1.19x is our first prediction guys, and same guys, you can see our prediction is a same. One more time guys, oh my friends, very big prediction, 59.83 guys, very big prediction. Also there you can download the hack file from this channel, and here is a lot of videos. Also guys, you can see my telegram channel mentioned on our hack. Let's see guys, 59.83x. Amazing my friends, amazing. Okay guys, you can check out new prediction is 35.46x. Another big prediction guys. Guys, don't win it, you can write me on my official telegram and you will buy the VIP plus, and you will also start earning like me guys without any loss guys, and then like work in every country without any VPN or any proxy issue guys. So don't worry and buy from me, write me on my telegram crown_predictor. Okay guys, let's see this prediction. Amazing my friends. Okay guys, goodbye, take care.